keep your eye on that. Let me put one in the barrel and we'll be ready to shoot. All right. You saw that, how that thing busted those rocks?